Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. So for today we're going to be talking about probably one of the best fish for new time fish keepers, the Harlequin Rasbora. Now the Harlequin Rasbora has become very popular among hobbyists because of their awesome group behavior and the pop of colors they add to your tank, and they're also a very easy schooling or shoaling fish to add to your tank if you want to get into that sort of thing. They are native to Asia, and you can commonly see them in places like Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand. Now, in their natural habitat, they're going to inhabit rivers, streams, swamps, places with lots of ground cover in the form of trees and other foliage, and it's going to be black water-ish habitats. Now, they are probably one of the most peaceful fish that you can find in this hobby, which makes them an extremely easy fish to find compatibilities with. There's really not much these can't go with, except for, giant aggressive things that will eat them. Now, even with the ease of care and ease of compatibility, they are going to add a nice pop of color and bring some life to your tank. So for tank-wise, you can keep these guys in something as small as a 10. You're going to want to get a group of about 5 or 6 of them. The more the better. And they're only going to be about 2 inches in length, so they're not going to get super big. Temperature-wise, 72 to 82 Fahrenheit with a pH range of 6 to 7.5, around that range. Now, they are an omnivore, so pretty much anything you want to put in the tank, they will eat. Just make sure the food is small enough to fit in their mouths, otherwise it, foul up their digestive system. So things like Hikari micro pellets or any of the Hikari freeze-dried food line in Extreme Nano. Those are my go-tos with these guys. Flake foods, any extreme flake food, the bug bite flake foods, the bug bites themselves, they like it all, and that's nice and small for them, so it's not going to gunk up their systems or anything. Now, they are, again, very peaceful fish, so they can go with lots of things that aren't going to be aggressive. Some common tank mates that people mostly put these with are, you got your betta fish, you got your corridors, which again you can put with pretty much anything, your tetras, your danios, your gouramis, different kinds of barbs that aren't overly aggressive, platies, and there's a lot more, but I'm not going to list that because I can make a whole video just on tank mates that are compatible with the Harlequin Rasbora, because there's just that many of them. Now, these fish have a lifespan of about 5 to 8 years and can handle a lot of first-time fish keeper mistakes, which is another reason makes them perfect for first-time fish keepers. You forget to do a water change, you get a slight ammonia spike. These fish tend to be able to handle it better than other fish you might see in the hobby. So they're going to, again, add a nice pop of color to your tank. They're going to bring some life to your tank because they are a rather active fish compared to some other fish that'll just sit there and kind of do that pulsate thing where they just kind of go like this in the tank. Yeah. And, of course, they can get away with almost anything as a tank might. So, for all those reasons, these guys are going to get a 12 out of 10. That's right. I'm breaking the scale and giving them a 12. As always, thank you all so much for watching the video and all the continued support on all the content we're putting out here. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your experience with Harlequin Rasboras. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Don't think I've met anyone that hates them. So if you're that person that hates them, let me know down in the comments and tell me why, because they're adorable little fish. I love them. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.